Hello YouTube fellows, how are you? It's just only 3 minutes video, but I'm gonna promise you about something that by the end of the video you'll get to know this language very far better than it was before. So stick to the video. The first is don't get ahead of yourself. It means you should avoid planning or worrying about your future. And how do you say it? You can say don't get ahead of yourself. The very next is let's bygone be bygone, means forgive and forget about your past conflicts. Like you have so many grudges about so many people in your life, but the only way to get rid of it is just let bygone be bygone. That's the only solution. Okay, the next is where there's a will, there is a way. Means if you're determined enough, you will achieve anything. If you have put your 100% effort into something, then it's impossible that you don't get that thing. So this is the law of the nature. Next is fit as fiddle. It means very healthy. So next time, whenever you want to say I'm very healthy or I'm perfectly fine, just say I'm fit as fiddle. The very next is off the record. It means not announced publicly. It's not record. Let me just correct you there. It's record. Means you have not announced something officially or publicly. You have to just keep it as a secret. The next is jack of all trades. It means a person who can do everything. Means like anything, literally anything that you cannot expect a human to be done. So if you find someone like that, this is a jack of all the trades. This is get a taste of your own medicine, means suffer from your own bad behavior because you somehow make other people suffer from that. So now it's your turn to take the same taste of your medicine as you have make other people tasted it, right? This is in seventh heaven. It's a gesture to show that how much happy you are. Means you can say I am in seventh heaven because I finally found the person I love, someone to love. Not the person, but I finally found someone to love, or I finally found my true love. The last is bite the bullet, means accept the difficult situation. So it's a retrograde era. You have to face, even though you don't want to, but you have to face a lot of difficult situations. But the only thing is you're a champion, bro. You can do anything that you want to. God has designed you like that. So be brave, accept the situation, and just snap out of it, okay? That's the only thing that I want to say. If you like the video, must press the like button. Do comment if you correct me, if you want to correct me in certain way. That will be really appreciating. Goodbye.